This is very basic actually for a newly assembled power amplifier like the DR100 concept project, what I have it right now. The first one is all about safety, which is first I need to make use of this safety valve, which I often call it. That is for limiting the current going to the power amplifier if there is any problem on it. I'm going to use this one during the initial test, like the bring up test, and the other one is called the sock test. I need to make use of this one. And the other one, which is quite important in terms of the sonic performance, when I say a sonic performance, I'm talking about the sound quality of your amplifier, which is basically on the left and right channel identification, which is this is small speaker in here. This one in here is gonna be my left. So when I'm facing this amplifier, that one will be my left, and this one is gonna be my right. So I need to identify that one, which of which is really is left and which one is right, because that's quite important in your listening pleasures, because the way they recorded it, they specified which one is the left, which one is for the right. And for me in here, the easiest way to do that is using the Chesky Record that is called the channel identification. And I just simply make use of my mobile phone right now, which is connected here at the output. Just for your curiosity, this is an Android phone. It's Huawei phone actually. I'm not so sure if I get a strike on this in any platform, because probably this is a copyrighted, but I'm going to use it anyway. The channel identification is by the Chesky Record, the channel identification test, and it will tell you which one is the left and which one is the right, so you can exactly point into, put the level into your input, which one is for the left and which one is for the right, and the other one is for the speaker terminal, which one is for the left and which one is for the right. So let me play it, and there you go. It's a
channel test. Left channel.
left channel,
Left channel. Left channel. Right.
right channel.
Right channel. Right channel. Balance test.
Alright, balance
My
test.
voice should be centered exactly between your two loudspeakers. My voice should be heard precisely in the center of your two speakers.
Alright, that's it. So if there is a wrong connection actually when hooking between the left and the right for your low level, like in here right now is the digital tone control, then I need to reverse that one, because I need to pair which one is the left for the input and which one is for the left for the speaker. So they always must be always be together. Left is to left, right is to right. Pretty basic actually, really basic, but some guys they just forget it how to put the right, left and right. The most important thing is that it sounds and it comes with high power, and that probably satisfies my hearing, my taste of music. The power, high power, so on and so forth, not the details and not the characteristic where the sound's coming from the left or from the right. One more thing more important is that when you are dealing with what we call this one as a cross mix signal, like for example the 3D sounds, the position of the left and the right is very important. And my project had the 3D sound, and that is very important, which is a key secret to have that kind of 3D sounds there, or when the left and the right channel are clearly identified. You know, the 3D sounds, when you have a placement of a limited placement of speaker, a limited space of placement actually, it's just like you make the sounds coming from different direction, like a combination with spatial sounds, and there's something like another really speaker at the back. Well, something that you can experience it actually if you don't have it. But the 3D sound basically is just like um, 3D, as it says. It's hard to describe it actually. This is more like a psychoacoustic basis actually. The bottom line of the message in here is that you need to identify clearly the left and the right input that is equivalent to the left and right speaker. And that's it. That's the bottom line, the common denominator, so that you can enjoy your music, the quality of your music. I still have some track in here, like I don't know if it's possible to just play it, like the left and right imaging. We got also the voice in phase, the voice out of phase. All of these tracks are basically from a Chesky Record. I'm not really sure if I get copyright strike in here, but I'll play that anyway, like left and right imaging.
Hi, I'm Bob Endress. We hope you enjoyed this jazz sampler from Chesky Records. Now, a set of listening tests to help you set up and evaluate your stereo system. This first listening test is for stereo imaging. I'm now 2 feet from the microphone and speaking from exact center position. I'm again 2 feet from the microphone and midway between center and right position. That's right from your listening point of view, of course. Now I'm 2 feet from the microphone and at the right-hand position. My voice should sound like it's coming from the right speaker. Now I'm off stage right. My voice should sound like it's coming from beyond the right speaker. Don't be surprised if I sound a little disembodied. After all, this is an extreme stereo position. Now I've moved to midway between center and left position. By now it should be no surprise that I've moved to far left. My voice should be coming directly out of the left speaker.
That's correct, it's in the left
Finally,
speaker.
I'm finishing this track from off-stage left. Again, my voice might sound a little disembodied because this is an unusual stereo position. And this concludes the stereo image test.
Basically, when you play this track, you can hear the voice is a little bit offset going to the left and to the right. This is called the left and right imaging, you can clearly see the details of which one is coming from the left and from the right. And that's really the amazing of this track from Chesky Records. The other one here is what I call it the voice in phase. Let's hear that one.
Phase test. In phase. My voice should be centered between your two loudspeakers, tightly in focus.
And the out of phase.
Out of phase. My voice should have no apparent source, no apparent focus. Should sound like it's coming at you from all around your room.
That's really live, actually.
Move your speakers incrementally, a little at a time, to enhance this effect. The less focus you have in out-of-phase mode, the more focus you'll have in phase.
Yeah, actually, when you are in the setup, you can actually feel it really. I don't know if this is iPhone and the Canon can able to pick up the real sound that I'm experiencing right now, but making use of these 4 tracks again from Chesky Record, that is the channel identification, the voice imaging, the voice in phase and the voice out of phase. You can actually hear the difference and can really put your speaker into a better place or a better better experience of the sound coming from your speaker. Alright guys, that's something pretty basic, but many fellow DIYers miss that one. And if you can able to get these kinds of a record from Chesky Record, the 4 tracks that I mentioned, again the left and right channel identification, the left-right imaging, the voice in phase and the voice out of phase, it will give you a real world ways to improve your listening pressures with the placement of your speaker, and to identify clearly where is your left and your right channels on your own power amplifier. I would say your own DIY power amplifier. In case you don't know what is DIY, that is do-it-yourself power amplifier. Alright guys, it's Ferdinand Dandy once again here with my buddy P. That's the girl, that's the boy. And thank you for watching and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye for now. So, see you later.